Hi. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Lexus GX550's issue with the gas cap getting loose. My dealer supposedly fixed it at the 5,000 and 10,000 miles service, but it didn't take. Most likely the tech just shoved the end back into the receptacle and said, "Good enough." For this fix you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Or, if you are feeling fancy, your wife's nails, mini needle nose pliers with a serrated jaw, one E-clip from Harbor Freight E-clip kit or similar. I'll drop a link in the comments because I'm nice like that. Safety caution. Wear a helmet, eye protection, and perform this fix in a super bright, super well ventilated space. Since we're dealing with gas and open gas receptacle, do not light up a cigarette or do anything that involves open flames or sparks. And for the love of everything holy, if you blow up your car and/or house, don't blame me. Seriously. Open the fuel door on your car. Using the small flathead screwdriver or your wife's nails, gently lift the lip just a bit. Do not bend it too much. As my lady says, it's a very short knob. Now, jiggle the assembly gently, as if you are consoling your wife who just lost a nail, and slide it to the left. Place the loose end back into the hole and flip the assembly over. Then use the E-clip from the kit to secure it on the other side. Some people suggest using a hot nail to melt the plastic, but I'm leasing my SUV and don't want to make any permanent changes. Besides, once my lease ends, I'll remove the clip and let the next owner deal with it. That's the kind of POS I am. Test the attachment. Do not apply superhuman force or you'll rip the cable out of the fuel filler housing. This is what the knob looks like. Align fuel filler housing lips with the fuel door, and then slide it to the right, making sure the knob goes into the opening, locking the assembly. Grab a refreshing beverage for the job well done. Please like and subscribe, you know the drill.